Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Matt with the DPI podcast, and it is Wild's Unknown release weekend, and we have got a lot of special things that we're doing with that being said. So, yesterday I was able to take part in one of the pre-release events, and Ravensburger and Lorcana are doing these really cool pre-release boxes. This is the first time they've done anything like this. So I was able to do a pre-release box in an event yesterday. We're going to create some content out of that. We also have another pre-release box to open today, and Braeden is going to open this one and kind of go through all the things that are in this box. So Braeden, come on, jump over here. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Braeden's going to take you guys through what is in the pre-release box, and I'm going to show you right here. This is going to be how you open it right here. Okay? And then pull everything out and show everybody what's in this box, and then you can open up all 6 packs that are in this box, okay? So, here we go. You gotta stand.
Okay, so, Lorcana Wild's Unknown. It's a pre-release box. As you can see, it says 6 booster packs, 1 promo card, 4 damage dice, 1 poster card, 1 paper box, 1 pack rush, and rules pamphlet. So, has all the good stuff that Lorcana box should have. Get it closer. Oh, it's got Woody. So, I like how they did their little boxes here. So let's go ahead and get this opened so you can see all the stuff. Let's pull out the dice first. Look at the dice. Oh, I like the dice because you see, because they're kind of like they're like
lava almost.
Yeah, they look like lava because they're like orange and they have like the shiny things. And it's like, remind me of fall colored dice. So those are pretty cool.
Here you go, you just give me the bag. Just put the dice down. Yep, perfect.
Okay, set those aside. This is just Torchlight Peaks, so kind of like
So in this set of Lorcana, they have 3 distinct areas that the characters are in.
Ooh, so one of them is Torchlight Peak.
And then you have the Great Empty Ocean and the Wildernut. So
that's cool. It's kind of like travel tickets.
So you put that there so people can see it, and then you got that there.
The pamphlet.
Remember, you just need to be over here just a hair.
Yeah, the pamphlet of kind of like
your pack rush rules and all that kind of stuff. So
if you want, you can pause the video and you can try to read these, or you could just buy one for yourself, and you can.
So they put pack rush rules in the box, but most of your pre-release events aren't going to play pack rush. They're actually going to do a full sealed event with it. So
now, before we open the packs, I'm going to show you.
I wouldn't open that yet. Just go ahead and show them the card.
It's a promo Ariel.
So what's cool about that card that they haven't done in any of the other sets? Can you see what they did?
Oh, they put the logo on the card.
They did.
You can see right there it says Wild's Unknown right at the corner of the card.
Yeah. And if you want to show it a little closer, just bring it up. I can find it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, you can see it says Wilds Unknown there. So for this set, you can know which one's which.
Yep, and they're doing 6 of these promo cards in the pre-release packs. So each of the Traveler cards are getting their own promo.
So that's cool. I'll set that over here. And now, let's open some packs, shall we?
Okay. Here we go. Go ahead and give me your bucks.
Is there anything in like that?
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Nope, it's actually just a spacer to hold the deck in place.
Okay, so we're gonna start with a gadget pack.
Yep. That'll be a trash can over here. You want to show people those and let them know what those are?
Real quick, so these are the back cards. Yeah, like a pretty cute Mickey one.
Yep, puzzle cards.
Yeah, the puzzle cards. Set that over there. First we have the first one is already awesome. We got the Evil Queen. The Pterodactyl Janie doll. Fat Cats Club. Julieta Madrigal. Louisa Madrigal. Robin Hood. Gadgets Goggles. Violet Parr. Lord MacGuffin. The Island of Nomazian and the legendary Woody in the first pack. Jeez. That is... wow. Okay. And a super rare foil Mickey Mouse. Pretty good first pack, in my opinion.
Yep, you can just leave everything right there and just make one big stack.
Now we'll have a Merida pack. Here's another puzzle card. Put that Woody there. Milo Thatch. Omnidroid.
Bring these down just a hair so people can see them.
Okay. Joshua Sweet. Joshua Sweet. Austin Madrigal. Louisa Madrigal. Kida. Bo Peep. Club Door. Sliding everywhere. Jebediah Farnsworth.
First legendary in the slot?
Yeah, I think so. A legendary Ursula. And a legendary Snow White. How? And, is this enchanted?
Mm-hmm.
Enchanted Milo Thatch. Okay, so that pack was kind of crazy.
All right. So
Three legendaries and an enchanted.
at the top.
Yeah. That's so cool. So I'll be sure to put this somewhere secure. So 3 legendaries and an enchanted.
On to pack 3.
Yeah,
In 2 packs.
yeah, two packs.
So we have been seeing that the pull rates are kind of out of skew for the pre-release packs, which is kind of cool. So it really encourages people to get into that pre-release pool, because some of these packs, so I know with the pre-release event we had yesterday, and then now this kit, that's 4 legendaries that I know have been pulled out of the pre-release kits. Or 4 enchanteds.
Yeah. Like a bird in the sky. Fat Cats Club. Todd. This Growing Pressure. Alma Madrigal. Bruno Madrigal. Luisa Madrigal. Ranger Team Up. Card Advantage. Bouncing Ducky, Alien, and a rare foil, Island of Nomasium.
We've gotten quite a few locations already, too.
Yeah.
That was one thing in my pre-release pack. I only got 1 location in my whole kit. In 3 packs, you've gotten 3 or 4 locations already.
Oh, yeah. Here's another. Oh, I already know where this one goes. Okay, so we got Pterodactyl Janie Doll, Fergus, Merida, Super Relocation Program, Fauna, Bullseye. That's a cute bullseye. Mickey Mouse, The Huntsman, Zipper, Edna Mode, Super Rare Hercules, Plunger Crossbow.
On to pack number 5.
Pack number 5. Pegasus, Dingwall. That's a Buzz Lightyear, This Growing Pressure, Happy, Maribel Madrigal, Eleanor, Copper, Pluto, Bruno Madrigal. Legendary the Queen, and a common foil Buzz Lightyear.
Alright, 1 more pack.
I got 4 different legendaries and 5 packs. That 1 pack though, like that was nuts. I don't even know if that's actually legal for Lorcana to put that many legendaries in a pack. I got Audrey Ramirez, Mrs. Incredible, RC, Julieta Madrigal, Louisa Madrigal, Julietta's Arepias, Hand in the Box, Chip, Lord Dingwall, Bouncy Ducky, The Family Scattered, and a common foil Louisa Madrigal.
All right, so push these up here. Go ahead and lay out what you got.
And the center of it all.
Nice. All right, so what we're going to do, now that you guys saw all those opened, we are going to do another video on how to build a sealed deck out of these cards. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching on this one. What do they need to do if they like the video?
They need to press the big thumbs up and then like and subscribe.
Yep, sounds good. Well, until our next opening, what do you say?
See you later.